Hey man, what's good with the YouTube, man? It's your boy Quest 2 Solid. Back in this bit with another video, man. Hey, hey man. Y'all see the game? Y'all see it? Me on that Texas Chainsaw Massacre, boy. Yes sir. Yes sir. I was not even on the damn main screen. There it go. Right there. In the big red right there, man. Man, for real, man. I got y'all with a little couple few games, man. A few little games. I ain't gonna lie. I played this game for a little bit. I played this game, man. I ain't gonna spoil it though. I ain't gonna spoil it for the people who haven't played. But for the people who haven't played and you wanna play, bro, go get the game, bro. Go get the game. If you're on Xbox, you should know about the Game Pass. You know they got it over there on Game Pass. I don't know about PlayStation, cause I don't play PlayStation. But you feel me? And PC, I don't know about PC either. Shoot. But you feel me? Gonna get that. But yeah. Ooh, hold on. Gotta go check the server. Hold on. I gotta look. Some. Alright, there you go. Boom. Now we had a little technical difficulties, you feel me? You know. Not too much.
April 1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago, but with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
No, though. For real. When I first heard that, bro, that gave me the chills right there. That gave me the chills, for real. Now, let's get into the game. You know, we gonna do a little game with the few little games with the victims, and then a few. Actually, I kind of wanted to do it this way. I wanted to put this gameplay with the victims, and then the next gameplay we gonna do it as the killers. You feel me? Yeah. He got my favorite player, bro. Oh, okay, good. So, you feel me? We ain't gotta worry about it. All right. So, bro, at this point, bro, I'm really just speechless about this game, bro. It's kind of, you don't know what to expect with this game. You don't know.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student.
Yeah,
The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play.
Yeah, this game crazy, man.
Expanded search in nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads.
Man, we gonna try to
Families are
skip though.
urging
We
anyone
gonna
with
try it.
information
Y'all already
regarding
know. I would make hella noise just to get up out of here, bro. But I don't feel like having him coming into my room.
I think this will help.
Alright, bro, we finna get up out of here though. And this gonna be real easy. Oh, and I didn't even see what map we on, bro. I didn't see, chat. I didn't see. Wait, this might be the family house. Nighttime. And they added a new character for the people who don't know. Johnny is who the character is. Hard to get away from sometimes.
You can do this.
For the people who haven't played it and they don't know.
Might be able to use this.
Oh, for real though, y'all should play this game, bro. This game is low key fire, for real. Oh, somebody done woke up Grandpa. Oh, that's the door. Alright. Ah, that sucks. Hey, you got me, bro. You got me a little bit.
I can use this.
Ah, please don't tell me Sissy down here, bro. Please do not tell me that. But why is she singing? Bro, just forget it, bro. Just go. Just go. I don't even want to know.
That looks useful.
I don't even want to know. Bro, at this point, bro, it's just hard to open this when you're not trying to make noise. Now this game is competing with Friday the 13th, even though they had the little incident, but you know, hey, I still put it in competition with these two games, bro. They both brutal as hell. That's no competition there. But I kind of wanna.
Yes, I need this.
Alright, should I go for that exit right there? Oh, yeah, that exit is already open, isn't it? Is this open? Yep, it is. Yep, we out of here, chat. First game.
Locked. Crap.
Oh, I thought it was open. Right now, I gotta find a thing. Bro, I thought we was out of here, bro. Bro, I thought we was out of here, bro. Alright, bro. We need to find the lockpick. We need to find the lockpick. I need a lockpick, bro. I need a lockpick. I need a lockpick. Oh, alright, bet. Bro, I need a lockpick, bro. I need a lockpick. I don't know where the hell to find a lockpick. Especially on this map. The only way to get a lockpick is I gotta go back down to the to Leatherface place and get a lockpick. Oh, no I don't. 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 Bro, I'm trying to hurry up and get it so they don't come over here. No, forget it, bro. Just forget it. We out here. We out here, chat. Bro, this probably was the easiest game on the first try, bro. This can't be the easiest game on the first try. Matter of fact, bro, I'm tired of this. I had to, chat. I had to. I'm sorry. I had to. I was giving up my location. I had to. But I ain't never done that before. I ain't never done that before. I ain't think it was gonna be like that. Nope. Out of here. Out of here. Out of here, chat. Let's go. We out of here. I felt like we could use a little challenge though. I feel like we can use a little challenge. I feel like we can use a little bit more challenge. For real. I ain't think it was gonna be that easy, no. I ain't think it was gonna be that easy, bro. I ain't think it was gonna be that easy. Like, I'm dead serious. I ain't think it was gonna be that easy. I mean, especially for this map, it's the easiest one. You got like what, 2 exits for this one. That's probably like the easiest. Like, you got the fuse box, then you got the water pressure place, and then you got the you got the same way that I just escaped from. The
Keep my eyes peeled. I know they're still here.
dang, the electric fence thing with the metal. Matter of fact, while we sitting right here waiting for dude to escape, have you hit the like button? Yeah, go ahead, hit the like button, man. Okay, we at 39 subs, 39, man. We one sub away for that big 40, man. One sub away, man. Yeah, so go ahead and hit that sub button, bro. If you mess with the video, bro, man, I for sure got more videos dropping just like this one. Oh, I ain't forget, bro. Plague Tale Requiem, Hello Neighbor 2. The games is on the way. The games is on the way, bro. Yep, it's on the way. We already on that. We already on that. I think he confused. Like, we got a whole different exit that is open, bro. He finna die, Jay. He finna die, bro. God damn. I low-key kind of forgot that.
Yeah, keep my eyes peeled.
All the way, like, shoulder tap it. You finna get jumped. You finna get jumped. You finna get jumped. Hurry up, get out. Oh, it turned back red. He ain't. Yeah, they got him. If the truck is down there, he done. My bad. But yeah, if the crook's down there, bro, he's done. He's done for it, chat.
Yes, I can use that.
Is he gonna grab the pressure valve? Cause I think the pressure valve thing is down there. That junk ain't open. Yeah, he gonna have to turn that fuse on. He gonna have to do that fuse. I would leave, bro, but I'm trying to get the XPs for them perks. Alright, time out. Oh, not the fuse, the pressure valve. Bro, it's open. It's open, ain't it? I think I just seen some green lighting. I low-key would put those perks back on, chat, but I like to have a little challenge just to find my way to leave. Plus, I already know my ways to leave anyway, so I don't really need I don't need those perks that he has, like the ones that you first start off with. Yeah, they got him, chat. Then he gotta wait for a little bit for the thing to open. He has to wait. Dang, he ain't gonna exit for the main road at least, or try a different exit lane. Oh, never mind. He up out of there. Nah, he did that, chat. He did that. I ain't gonna lie. Clink it away. Clink it away. No lie though, chat. I do have one more gameplay for y'all. Got one more gameplay for y'all. For sure. Next video, I got y'all as playing as the family. Shoot, we might be Leatherface, might be Sissy, we might be Johnny. Shoot, the hitchhiker could. Nah, I might be a hitchhiker. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, chat. Alright, bro, we just need one more person, bro. Just one more person, and then we good. Oh, let's go. Ah, we got Slaughterhouse, bro. One of the worst ones, chat. One of the worst. Actually, not one of the worst, cause I ain't gonna lie. You gotta I'm gonna do the pressure valve. I'm gonna do the pressure valve. I think it's I kind of forgot where the pressure valve was. Yeah, for sure, ski. Yeah, I'm already knowing y'all gonna go crazy on that Hello Neighbor Part 2 when that comes out for sure. I low-key do want to see the end of that game, bro. I do. I low-key want to see the end of that game. Cause that game is something else. That game is something else. A Plague Tale Requiem for sure. We got that coming out next. I don't know when, but you know it's coming. It's coming though. It's coming. Just hey, guarantee it's on the way. I guarantee you it's on the way. Man, isn't that hitchhiker going ready up, man? Like, come on, bro. Hey.
Authorities were alerted to Helm's Ranch yesterday to investigate reports of cattle abuse, but what they found instead was disturbingly serene. The ranch was devoid of livestock. Instead, 13 men, all
Hey,
dressed in
Chad,
plain
I ain't gonna
white
lie.
clothes,
I'ma just full-fledged
sitting
go
in
all
chairs
out.
spread throughout the
Going all out.
property.
Hey,
Each one
I'm
was
going
wearing
crazy. I'm about to be loud on the thing.
holding
And
a copy
I
of
don't care.
King James
Hey,
Bible.
if Leatherface try to catch me, he ain't gonna catch me. I'm gonna tell you that right now. He ain't gonna catch me, bro. He ain't gonna catch me. I know this whole place. Usually I don't win this spot. I don't know why. But hey.
What is going on? Now, where do you
Shut
go?
up. Alright. Good. Toolkit right there. I kinda hate this part, bro, cause that's when this be slow.
Open doors with
All right.
this. Let's see where this leads.
Way to avoid him. It might be a door through here. I'll keep freaking the layout.
I can use this.
Yup, I said it. I
Needs to
said
be
it too.
strong. Gotta find the others.
All right, bro. I need to find a pressure. Pressure thing. A 10 out of 10 is gonna be in
I hope this is a way
I
out.
don't know, bro. I'm talking like I know. 10 out of 10. I kinda don't. Wait, who's just in front of me, bro? Please tell me that wasn't Leatherface. Please tell me that wasn't Leatherface. Okay, it's not. All right, we good. We good. We good. We good. We good. We good. All right. All right, open this. Please don't come over here to me. Wait, hold on, bro. Open the door back. Open the door. Open the door back. Open the door back. Open the door back. Open the door back. Oh, bro. I need to find a pressure valve. I need to find at least one of them, bro. I need to find at least one of them. Alright, there go the fuse. I kind of don't understand the fuse, but I need to find the thing, bro. I need to find it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Look
go.
at this.
Get the thing. Okay, no. Bro, I just seen the toolbox. Where is it at now? Oh. Okay, here you go.
Grab that.
Just a touch, and there.
Oh, get through the damn well. I'm sorry, bro. She's my worst one, chat. She is my worst one. She's the worst one. She's the main one that I hate.
I guess
Bro,
I
how do
see
you get
after
down
all.
here so fast? How do you get down here so fast, bro? Oh my god, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, I hate that she gets down here so quickly. And we got the damn hitchhiker too, bro. Bro, shorty, why do you gotta be so damn quick? Bro. Great. Bro, I'm dead. 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 I can't get away from those two. And this dude teabag. Oh. Chat, bro. I can't get away from those two, bro. When those two are paired together, bro, it is hard to get away from them. Oh my, bro. Nah, low key though. We're gonna see if they get away. We're gonna see. Okay, they both got fuses, bro. Okay, at least they don't see you in the trees, though. At least they don't see you in the trees. That's what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like about this game. They don't see you in the trees.
What the hell is wrong with these people?
Even though your head is clearly sticking up. But hey, if they can't see me, I'm cool with it. I don't see how she's seeing me though, but hey, it is what it is. We got more gameplays from this though, for sure. He's done for. If he used that skill, then he's not done for. I was trying to find a pressure valve, bro, cause that was gonna be the easiest exit.
Oh, yes. A shortcut.
Oh. Wait, where did he exit from? Yeah, he AFK. Yeah, he ain't gonna do nothing. He AFK. Yeah, you need the fuse box for that. You need the fuse box for that one.
Too loud.
Wait, is that one open? Oh, why would you go through? Yeah, you're done. Yeah, she's done. Yo, you should have just ran the other way.
See them. They're here. I need to hide. I gotta get some help.
I never knew that was a way to leave. Nah, I never knew that was a way to leave. Nah, that's crazy. Nah, that's wild though. But yeah though, chat. I'ma go end the video off right here, man. I hope y'all like those few gameplays. You know, I got 1W, 1L. It is what it is. But if y'all want to see some more Texas Chainsaw Massacre, bro, man, get this video to 3 likes. Get it up to 3 likes, man. And yeah, we one sub away from 40, man. You know, go and hit that subscribe button if you rocking with it. And you know, man, just appreciate the support and all that, man. You already know. And for sure, Hello Neighbor, Player Tale, Requiem, you know those. Yeah, we on the way with it. We on the way with it for sure. And yeah, your boy Clutch 2 Solid signing out, man.